Welcome back to HM Architecture. Today we are presenting a beautiful and compact 13x 13 meter 2 BHK house plan. Let's begin from the front veranda. This space measures 6 by 3 meters and offers excellent natural light and ventilation, perfect for relaxing or welcoming guests. From the veranda, we enter the drawing room on the left side. This room provides a comfortable space for seating and daily activities. Attached to the drawing room is its bathroom, sized 2 by 1.5 meters, designed with proper space for a shower and toilet. Moving back toward the center of the house, we reach the hall, which measures 4 by 5.8 meters. This serves as the main living and family area, offering a spacious and open environment. Nearby, we have the utility room, measuring 1.8 by 1.2 meters. It is ideal for laundry, storage, and keeping essential household items organized. On the right side of the plan, we find the first bedroom, measuring 4 by 5 meters. It comfortably fits essential furniture such as a double bed, wardrobe, and study table. Attached to this bedroom is a bathroom sized 2 by 1.5 meters, ensuring privacy and convenience. At the top center of the house, the kitchen is located with a size of 4 by 3.5 meters. It is straight, well ventilated, and easily accessible from all parts of the home. To the left of the kitchen lies the second bedroom, also measuring 4 by 5 meters. This provides an additional comfortable resting space. Attached to this room is another bathroom, sized 2 by 1.5 meter, completing the interior layout. Overall, this 13x 13 meter 2 BHK house plan includes two spacious bedrooms, two attached bathrooms, a well designed drawing room with its bathroom, a large hall, a functional kitchen, a utility room, and a veranda offering comfort, privacy, and smooth movement throughout the home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HM Architecture for more modern house plans and designs.